Ciloxan ointment is a medication used to treat eye infections. It belongs to a class of drugs called quinolone antibiotics and works by stopping the growth of bacteria. It specifically treats only bacterial eye infections and will not work for other types of eye infections. It's important to use this medication only as prescribed by your doctor, as unnecessary use or overuse of any antibiotic can lead to decreased effectiveness. The usual dosage is a small amount of ointment applied to the affected eyes every 4 hours while awake for 7 days. Be sure to follow your doctor's instructions for the best results. When using Ciloxan ointment, it's important to avoid wearing contact lenses. Make sure to wash your hands before applying the ointment to the affected eye. Be careful not to touch the tube tip to your eye to avoid contamination. Tilt your head back, look upward, and gently close your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes after applying the ointment. Try not to blink or rub your eye. If you are using other eye medications, wait at least 5 minutes before applying them. It's important to use this medication regularly for the full time prescribed by your doctor, even if your symptoms improve. If your condition lasts or gets worse, make sure to consult with your doctor. When you apply Ciloxan ointment, it might cause a temporary stinging or burning sensation in your eyes. You may also experience blurred vision, eye discomfort, itching, redness, tearing, dry eyes, feeling like something is in your eye, a bad taste in your mouth, or sensitivity to light. If these effects continue or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist right away. After using ciprofloxacin for a few days, you may notice white crystals in your treated eyes, but these usually go away within a few weeks and are harmless. Make sure to keep your scheduled appointments so your doctor can monitor your eye infection closely. If you notice any new or worsening symptoms, such as increased discharge or eye pain, be sure to tell your doctor right away. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. While many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, using it for prolonged or repeated periods may lead to a new fungal eye infection. Be sure to only use it for the prescribed time and contact your doctor if you notice any new or worsening symptoms. If you experience serious side effects such as staining of the eye, swelling in or around the eye pain, or worsening vision, it's important to tell your doctor right away. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you experience any side effects, you can also report them to the FDA in the US or Health Canada in Canada. Before using Ciloxan ointment, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to ciprofloxacin or other quinolones. This ointment may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss any allergies with your pharmacist. If you have a history of other eye problems, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist before using this medication. After applying Ciloxan ointment, your vision may become temporarily blurred or unstable. It's important to avoid activities that require clear vision, such as driving or using machinery, until your vision has returned to normal. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is not known if Ciloxan ointment passes into breast milk, so consult with your doctor before using this medication while breastfeeding. When using Ciloxan ointment, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Ciloxan ointment. If this medicine is swallowed, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. The Ciloxan ointment should not be shared with others. It has been prescribed specifically for your current condition, so it's important to throw away any unused medication once your treatment is complete. Do not save it for future use for another infection unless directed by your doctor. If you forget to use a dose, use it as soon as you remember. If it is almost time for your next dose, then skip the missed dose and continue with your regular dosing schedule. Do not use a double dose to make up for the missed one. You should store Ciloxan ointment at room temperature or in the refrigerator, but be careful not to freeze it. And always remember to keep all medications out of the reach of children and pets. When you no longer need to use Ciloxan ointment, make sure to dispose of it properly. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the proper way to discard this product when it is expired or no longer needed. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.